Recently, TikTok announced they dropped the requirements to become a TikTok Shop affiliate from having 5,000 followers to only 1,000 followers. That means that the barrier of entrance to the TikTok Shop affiliate program just become super low, and it should be very easy for you to get 1,000 followers. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get 1,000 followers in approximately 4 days with a very easy strategy that is going to require a bit of money from you, because we're gonna run ads. We're gonna use ads in order to get these 1,000 followers, but I'm gonna show you how to run these ads effectively and with a budget of $100. And I know that for some people $100 might be a lot, but I want to show you something that will motivate you to do this. I am a TikTok Shop affiliate, and I was live streaming last night one of the products that I'm promoting, okay? And within one night, within 2 hours, I was able to generate $274, okay? That was yesterday for selling the neck and shoulder back massager, okay? So you can clearly make up the money you spend on ads within one night. I think the investment of $100 is not a bad deal if you can make hundreds and thousands of dollars after that. So the strategy is very simple. You basically open a new TikTok account, you have to post something on it, and then we are going to run an ad on that post that will engage people to follow you, okay? And here's the thing, we're not gonna run these ads in US. We're gonna run these ads in the countries where the ads are very cheap, such as Egypt, Morocco, or Turkey. Those countries have very cheap ads that you can spend $20 to $25 a day and get very decent results. I recently ran an ad campaign like that, and I was able to scale my TikTok shop to 5,000 followers, and it cost me approximately $250. The barrier is lower now because you only need 1,000 followers, which means that $100 should be more than enough in order for this strategy to work, okay? And I tested out this strategy myself, so I know it works. So once you have an account, the second thing that you're gonna need is you're gonna need our friend Elon Musk, okay? And we're gonna use his face in order to drive traffic and followers to our page. So you might be asking, why Elon? Well, that's because he's one of the most recognizable people in the world. Pretty much everyone knows him. He's very popular, and he's also very controversial. Some people love him, some people hate him, but it doesn't really matter. What matters is that he generates clicks and engagement. Also, there's a lot of memes and funny videos with Elon, so it's gonna be easy for us to find the content that we can use in order to run ads and get the followers. So before I show you exactly how to do everything step by step, there's only one more thing that I want to mention. With this strategy, you probably want like 80 to 90% of the traffic coming from outside US or UK, because right now TikTok Shop is available in US and UK. So let's say 80 to 90% of the traffic is going to be people from Egypt, and then the 10% of the traffic and the followers you want it from your country that you're located and where you want to start TikTok Shop affiliate, okay? So if it's US, you're gonna have to change the audience from Egypt to US towards the end of the campaign, which is gonna cost you a little bit more money, but that's just because you want to stay safe and you don't want TikTok to think that the main traffic for your page is in Egypt. That's what I did. I was running my ad campaigns for people in Morocco, Turkey, and Egypt, but towards the end, I switched to US in order to have the traffic and followers from the country that I'm trying to open my TikTok Shop affiliate account, okay? Okay, first thing first, we need a video with Elon. So I just went on YouTube and typed in Elon Musk short, and I'm just gonna pick one of them in order to have the content that we're gonna run ads on. And I was able to find this YouTube short that I really like. It's basically showing how much his net worth has changed over the time. It also shows his physical appearance change. He obviously looks better now when he's older. So this is perfect because anyone in the world will understand what's being shown here. Everyone will understand that this is Elon. And I think this is gonna drive a lot of traffic to our page. As you can see, this post has almost 700,000 likes on YouTube. So I will believe that we're gonna get similar results on TikTok as well. So I have the video, but I need to download it now from YouTube. So we were just trying to find a free YouTube downloader from Google. So I just typed in YouTube downloader in Google, and there's a bunch of these sketchy websites. But I used this one in the past and I trust it, so I'm gonna use this one more time. So now I just need to paste the link. All right, and I'm able to download the video. So let's just do this really quick. I'm always a little bit scared of using these free YouTube downloaders because some of them are very sketchy, but this one seems to be fine, and I got my video. It looks like it's working, so we're good to go. Okay, so once you have the video, you need to upload it to your TikTok account. So just go ahead, download it on your phone, and then upload it to your TikTok. You don't need to put hashtags. You don't need to do do any of that. Just put a funny caption, short and to the point. I would suggest using some sort of call to action, such as leave a like if you want to be rich as Elon. Something like that will encourage people to click on the follow button or the like button. So it will make the job easier for us. In the next step, you're going to go to the TikTok Ads Manager. Just type in that in Google. You're going to open an account and then you're going to create a new TikTok account. Okay. So once you're here, you're going to click on create and then we're going to go with the advanced ad creation. We don't want to go with the basic. Then we're going to select the community interaction. This is the objective goal that we want to get. Basically, this is very important because without selecting the right goal, TikTok will not know what to do with the ad. Our purpose is to gain more followers. So we need to go with the community interaction. Okay, go with this one. When it comes to settings, don't do anything here. Everything is fine. When it says set up campaign budget, our budget is $100 lifetime. I suggest you set this up because otherwise TikTok will just keep charging you money until they dry you out, okay? Then click on continue. When it comes to targeting, you're not gonna do anything in this tab, but when it says location, remove US because US is an expensive country. And we're gonna select some cheap countries such as Egypt, Morocco, and Turkey. When it comes to gender, we're gonna keep it very broad, keep it everyone. Ages, keep it everyone. Languages, keep it everyone. Spending power, keep it everyone as well. Audiences, keep it very broad. There is no need to set up any specific audiences. TikTok will figure out who to target. We don't really care what these people are interested in. We just want to get first 1,000 followers to get started with TikTok Shop Affiliate. So we can keep it broad and not target at all. TikTok is very good with picking up who is our target audience, okay? When it comes to interest and behaviors, nothing. Device, nothing. Then when it comes to budget, this is the daily budget. Try to keep it the lowest amount possible. So let's see if we can change it to 20. I believe they recently updated. Oh, I can keep it 20. Okay, so let's keep it 20 a day. So we're gonna run it for 5 days instead of 4. I know I told you that we're gonna do this within 4 days. If you wanna do this within 4 days, change it to 25. But let's just keep it 20 for our sake. Starting time, start it as soon as possible pretty much. But we wanna end this in 5 days. So I'm gonna change it to end in the next 5 days. We wanna run this all day. It doesn't really matter. Optimization goal, we want to set up as follow. We want people to follow us. This is very important. Make sure that this is what you select as well. And the next one, very important thing, bid control. We want to keep it very low. So right now our bid control is 60 cents, but we're going to change it to 0.06 cents. That means that we're going to pay the maximum of 6 cents per follower, which is super cheap. TikTok is suggesting keeping it 16 cents at follower. That's also super cheap. You can increase it to 16 as well, but I'm gonna keep it at 6. To compare, I believe that one US follower costs about $1 or even more than that. Depends on the niche you're targeting. So 16 cents per follower in foreign country is not bad, but we're gonna keep it at 6 cents. Then we're gonna go ahead and click on next. So now you will have to select your TikTok account. So before you start, you need to connect your TikTok account with the TikTok ads account. It's very easy to do it. You just basically click on link at the setting menu. Super easy stuff. But then we're gonna select the video that we wanna advertise. So we're gonna select video from our TikTok post. So I'm gonna click on that. Okay, so while I was recording this video, I got a hit with community guideline violation because TikTok thought that this video was created with AI, and I tried to appeal, but like honestly, we know this is not gonna happen anyway. So I just found a different post with Elon that shows him that looks like an alien. It's funny. Humor usually works. So let's continue with our tutorial. Okay, so once you post your video or a picture on your page, what you're gonna do next is you're gonna select it, right? So we're gonna go to TikTok post selection, and here's my post with Elon. Okay, the post is right here. Then we're gonna scroll down. Since this is the post, I cannot edit the text, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Let's scroll down and select that I am agreeing to everything that TikTok wants me to agree on. I don't have any pixel, I don't have any apps events, none of that really matters. All I have to do now, just click on submit. And now you will have to wait for TikTok to approve your ad, but that's pretty much it. Those are all the steps you need in order to get this thing going, okay? And when I was running my ad campaign for my 5,000 follower TikTok account, when the requirements was the 5,000 followers, I spent about $250, and it took me about 2-3 weeks to get here. But that's the trick. That's how you can get the followers really fast. So you can start earning money with TikTok Shop Affiliate. You guys know that TikTok Shop Affiliate is a big new side hustle that's growing really fast. Some people earn crazy money with it. I know people that make $30,000 a month or more with this. They're members of my Discord. If you want to join our Discord, our private community of side hustlers and other people that do similar stuff, eBay dropshipping, Facebook dropshipping, TikTok stuff, selling digital products on Etsy, we have a community that's specifically designed for that. Go to the dropshippingguild.com to learn how to join our community. There's a bunch of benefits that you can get, such as monthly prompts, dropshipping products, live streaming products. There's a lot of stuff that we provide. Okay, there are courses, there's everything, weekly meetings. Go to the dropshippingguild.com to learn more. But if this video was valuable, please leave a like. But I'm happy you came here. I wish you good luck. Let me know if that method worked for you, and I will see you next time, my friend. Adios.